Fáilte gan choiste Gaelic, hick of a stay. Welcome to the Gaelic College. Come on in.
Situated in the heart of Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia, Canada, the Gaelic College of Celtic Arts and Crafts was founded in 1938 as a school devoted to the study and preservation of the Gaelic language, arts and culture. Students of all ages and abilities from around the world take courses at our Cape Breton campus and online. Our world-class instructors offer programs in Scottish traditional disciplines including Gaelic language and song, music, dance, and crafts. We look forward to welcoming you to the tranquil setting, the camaraderie, the wide range of study and other activities that await you here at the Gaelic College.
I think the facility is phenomenal. It's really, really good. It's probably one of the best facilities within North America.
Even since I've been teaching here, I've learned so much for myself and my music. So I can't imagine how awesome it must be for the students.
Youth is the answer to continuation of a heritage. And we have a living heritage. Our fiddling and our step dancing are just, they're second to none in the world.
The best years of my life have been at the Gaelic College, and I truly believe that every child that's involved in the Celtic culture should have an opportunity to come here, because once you begin, you can't stay away.
When these kids do their concert, when you see them coming off that stage afterwards and they know they've done a good job, they leave here every week on a high. Like, this is an atmosphere of accomplishment, and the kids really enjoy it, and it boosts their morale and it boosts their self-esteem. Having dachas gan paisib corm, the College Gaelic, having kinji gan cartarive.
To learn more about the Gaelic College, visit us online at www.gaeliccollege.edu.